Hello and welcome everyone. And this gonna show you here on this video on how you actually start to go to fix auto friend request being registered or uh, text friend requested is being rejected automatically. So this is gonna be about two real quick guys to know how you're gonna start to fix that stuff. Okay, you have been on Valorant game here. So what you're gonna do is about to click here on right top corner settings. Once you click on that, you're gonna click on settings on the middle. Now as you can see, you're gonna have this place where we actually started to search for a lot of things, which is gonna be about this game. Okay, now what you're gonna do is about to click here on auto reject friends requests. You're gonna have right click here. It's about to start to go for this place where it's actually have. So you're gonna start to click on and off. You're gonna start to do real quick guys to have this kind of rejecting and this kind of auto rejecting. Sorry, we have here, yes, this is really the place where we want in the privacy settings. On auto reject friend request, you should disable it to fix the auto friend request that is being rejected. So maybe you have just enabled it before and then you don't know is that when you enable it, that's gonna absolutely automatically reject your friend request whenever someone is starting to add you. So you should disable it or turn it off or hide it. So that's all about to help you on this video.